So guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to walk you through on how you can solve this kind of issue that says that your art account have been disabled. So if you're having this issue that is telling you that your art account have been disabled, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can resolve this issue and how you can avoid them and the common reason why some art accounts are being disabled. So without wasting much time, let's dive to the video. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, just like what I say, that I'm going to walk you guys through on how you can solve the issue of your ad account. If your Facebook ad account have been disabled, then this is the proper way on how you can regain back your ad account that have been disabled. Remember, if your ad account is being disabled, you can't be able to advertise on Facebook. Facebook have totally banned you from advertising on their platform. And what are the common reasons that may lead to your account being disabled or being temporarily disabled or permanently disabled, and how you can go about to resolve this issue? So first of all, the common reason is this. I'm going to be walking you guys through on how you can actually resolve this common reason that make Facebook to totally disable their alt account. So what are the common reasons? First is by violating Facebook ad policies. So many people don't actually know that there are some things that you don't need to do on Facebook. Once you do them, your ad account will be definitely be disabled. So what and how are you going to avoid all these common violations? So I'm going to walk you guys through on those common violations that actually affect your ad accounts. So sometimes it's by going against Facebook policy, the ad policy. What are those ad policy? By not complying with their ad policy community standard, whereby maybe your account did not the account of your name did not actually follow the Facebook ad policy, or sometimes the kind of title that you actually use on your ad is against Facebook policy. So that is why most ad accounts are being disabled. So now we are going to move to the other ad policy that actually affect Facebook. Sometimes it's copyright or trademark infringement. So what is copyright or trademark infringement? Is by you using other people content in order to advertise on Facebook without a proper right permissions. So sometimes when you use people content without getting a proper permission, definitely Facebook is going to disable your ad account. So before you start using any content in order for you to be able to advertise on Facebook, make sure that you have a proper right for you to use that content. It's not every content that you begin to see and then you start using it on Facebook and you think that you can actually use it to advertise. Definitely they can even disable your account. Sometimes logo, if you use someone logo that already have a copyright, remember a logo is a trademark. So if you are trying to use someone logo in order to advertise on Facebook, definitely Facebook is going to strike your account. And before you can get access to that account, it will take a little bit stress for you to be able to enable back your ad account. So let's move to the other problem that actually result to for your on your account being disabled. The number three, we have misleading or deceptive ad. What are these ads? There are some ads that are deceptive, that are already that mislead your audience. So that ad may look real, but when they click on it, it's going to divert them into another platform. So what are these misleading content? Misleading contents are content that you try to let Facebook to know that okay, this is actual content that I actually want to promote that. Like for example, now I actually want to promote a book, but within this book, there are some content that are not. saved for my audience. And because of that, once they click, it's going to lead them into another platform that is not actually leading them to what I actually advertise on Facebook. Because of that, it may actually lead to your Facebook ad account being disabled. Now let's move to the other one. We have, yes, spamming or abusing Facebook system. So there are some people that actually know that when you do all these kind of things, it may lead to your account being disabled. And what are spamming or abusing Facebook system? So we're actually talking about spamming and abusing Facebook systems. So how does this affect your art account? Sometimes there are some content that you actually post that in that content you may design that piece of content to be a something that is clickable, but when your audience click it, it may not click. You understand? It may not actually click. It may lead them into another place, and that is why once you do this kind of a thing, Facebook will actually disable your ad account. So let's move to the other one. We have using prohibiting content. What are prohibiting content? Those content that adult content, like adult content, hot speech, abusive word. Like now, Facebook hates when someone is trying to use an abusive word on anybody. So once they know that you are using an abusive word, definitely your ad account will be disabled. And what are adult content? Adult content are all those uh, naked pictures, naked videos that expose the body of another party. So once Facebook notices that this kind of content is what it describe your content, it may lead to your account being disabled. So your ad account will be disabled because of that. So many people post those kind of video thinking that okay, Facebook will review them and then approve their their ad. So once Facebook made a mistake after approving your ad account, and definitely their robot identify that the piece of content that they approved did not go against their policy or their ad policy, definitely their ad account will be disabled. Sometimes it may lead to your account being taken down because of these common errors or this common issue that you think that they are not issue or they are common. You can actually get your account being taken down. So let's move to the other one, inauthentic behavior. You understand? So when we talk about inauthentic behavior is by engaging in authentic behavior such as creating fake account. There are some people that create fake account in order to send lead to other of their social media accounts or to their website. So once you create a Facebook account, I always advise that you use your real name, because if you don't actually use your real name, this process may actually lead your account being disabled. And once your account is being disabled based on that, you don't use a proper name that match with your document. Once it's been disabled and they need document that will actually verify that you are the one that have this account, definitely you cannot be able to recover this account because you have already used a fake information to create that Facebook profile. So now we have suspicious activities. What are the suspicious activity? Trying to scam people. And once Facebook notice that your activity on their platform are suspicious, it may lead to your ad account being disabled. You understand? So I always advise people that when you are using a profile that you know that you want to use it for a business, please avoid being using things that may lead to your account being suspended or being disabled. So let's move to the other one. Common reason why your ad account is being disabled is payment issue. Now, having payment issues such as declining or fraudulent activity may actually result on your ad account being disabled. Now, if you are owing Facebook on your ad account and they try to debit you on the debit card that you actually submit, and they could not debit you or the payment could not go through, this may lead to your ad account being disabled. And if Facebook find out that you are using your billing platform as a fraudulent activity, Facebook will definitely disable your account. This activity may even get your main account being taken down, and for you to get access to it back, it may take a lot of time. If possible, you get it back. So let's move to the another one, which says that using ban or product that are being restricted. Using ban or restricted product. Now, what are those bans? Like now, alcohol is not allowed to be advertised on Facebook. So you cannot advertise anything that go with alcohol, and you cannot advertise anything like drugs on Facebook. I don't think that Facebook accept advertising of drugs. So if you submit any ad account that is related to drugs or that is related to alcohol, Facebook will not actually approve your account. If your account is being approved, your ad account is being approved by mistake, definitely that ad account will be disabled based on Facebook did not know in the first time. So once their robot find out that this product that you actually submit for them to advertise on their platform go against their their policy, they are going to ban your account. They are going to disable your ad account. Sometimes it may lead to your account being taken down. I mean your main profile account being taken down. Sometimes your ad account will be permanently disabled, and there is no how you can see any option that says review or even submit an appeal. So now, how do you commonly solve this issue? So if you actually want to solve this issue so that you start advertising back on Facebook, pay attention and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video, comment, and tell me where you are watching me from, and also tell me the kind of issue that you are actually facing on your Facebook, so that I will do more videos like this. So now, if you want to solve this issue, let me walk you through on the step that you may actually submit that may easily resolve this issue for you. Now go to your Facebook. Once you go to your Facebook account, click on that your profile and go to its settings. Then follow the screenshot on this video. Then go to the settings. Once you click on that settings, allow it to load, and then scroll down, and then you see add payment and payout. It depends on your account. So you see add payment, click on that add payment. Once you click on that add payment, you'll see how your billing and payment look like. If your ad account billing look red, that means your account is disabled. But if it looks green, that means everything is actually fine with your ad account. You don't have to do anything on your ad account. You are good to advertise. But if you are having this issue that your ad account is being disabled, then take this step and apply this step on your ad account. Actually is going to fix this issue. First of all, sometimes it may be the issue of payment. You understand? So if your payment did not actually go through, then Facebook will definitely disable your ad account. Remember now, sometimes your debit card may not actually work internationally because the ad account that their billing is about dollar. So maybe your card that you're actually using did not accept dollar. So definitely there is no way that Facebook can charge you on your debit card. I'm going to make a video on how you can get a virtual card online that you can actually use to solve this issue. Now pay attention. Now you need to go and have a virtual card. Then this virtual card will be the card that can help you to resolve this issue. Just phone the virtual card and then come to Facebook and come over to this add billing. From there, add account. From there, add payment method. Once you add the payment method, Facebook is going to review it and approve it. Once it's been approved and you have enough money on your debit card, Facebook is going to debit that money. And once this money is being debit on your debit card, definitely automatically that ban or that disabled ad account will automatically be removed from your ad account, and it will start working perfectly. Now, the other way on how you can resolve this issue sometimes is the your details is different from your debit card. So if you find out that your details from your ad account is different from your debit card, please go to the settings on your ad account. on this place that says or business info or your account. Just click on that place. Once you click on that place, you'll see other information that is needed that you should add. So just for you that this issue will be resolved. You understand? This issue will be resolved without wasting any time. So this is how you resolve this common issue that actually affects your art account. That's it, that your art account have been disabled. So I really appreciate you guys for your patience, for your time, and for supporting this channel. So thank you. See you in another video. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Tell me any other issue that you're actually having, and I'm going to walk you through on how you can solve this issue once and for all. So thank you.